Hello everyone, Rich from Mowd again, and this week I've got 3 ways you could be damaging your lawn. The first way, and probably the most common way, is that you're cutting way too much grass off the sward when you cut your lawn. As a general rule of thumb, you don't want to take any more than 1/3 of the sward length off of the plant. Reason for that is it's the sward where all the photosynthesis happens and the plant creates all of its energy, and if you take the ability for the grass plant to do that, then you're going to introduce problems. It's going to struggle to recover, it's going to turn that kind of brown yellowy colour, and actually it's going to be more open to diseases. So the first rule of thumb is not to cut any more than 1/3 of the blade off the sward. Now, quick tip here is actually if you're cutting regularly enough, this shouldn't really be an issue. Early spring, you want to be cutting once a week, and through the main growing season, so from late spring through to early autumn, believe it or not, you want to be cutting twice a week. If you look at your grass and it looks like it needs to be cut, it's probably gone a little bit too far. So regular mowing with a nice sharp blade, don't take any more than 1/3 off the leaf. The second reason is people apply too much fertiliser, too little fertiliser, or the wrong fertiliser. Some people don't even apply any at all, and this was really one of the main reasons that Mowd came about. We wanted to take all of the confusion out of fertilising your lawn, so we provide you with the right fertiliser in the right amount at the right time of year. So all you have to do is open the bag and put it down on your lawn. Now, it can be a fairly complex subject. Your lawn needs different nutrients in the spring, different nutrients in the summer, and different nutrients again in the autumn. And we all know that our fertilisers have got nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium in them, but those are really just the start elements. We pack calcium, magnesium, seaweed, iron, all of these other nutrients in to make sure your lawn's getting exactly what you need. So the simple solution for not fertilising your lawn properly is actually just get yourself a Mowd Lawn Care subscription. The third reason you might be damaging your lawn is that you don't aerate your lawn. Now, I know some of you out there will hire your hollow tine aerator every spring or autumn and put huge cores through your lawn, and that's great, but there is a really simple solution that anybody out there can do, and it just involves your normal garden fork. If you fork twice a year through your garden, spring and autumn, when it's nice and soft, you get that fork really deep, give it a wiggle back and forth, create some nice big holes that allows all of the air to get down into the root zone. It'll help break up some of that thatch. It'll allow water to penetrate through that thatch layer down to the roots. And what you're going to do is relieve the compaction and allow those roots to really establish a lot further. And going through late autumn into winter, it's really key that the roots are really well established. Things that can cause compaction, you've probably got kids running around your garden using it as a football pitch, that will create compaction. Regular mowing, if you've got a heavy kind of ATCO with a roller or a Cobra, that is likely to cause compaction. And the other thing is the Great British weather. When we have a lot of rainfall or frosts, that can compact to the top layer of soil, and that is not good for your lawn. So get into the habit of spring and autumn, getting your garden fork, just walking around every 12 inches or so, putting it in, wiggling it back and forth, and let those holes naturally close up. That'll be the best thing you can do for your lawn care. Well, another nice short, sharp video, very to the point. Implement these 3 methods and I guarantee next year your lawn will be much better than it is this year. We've got loads of ways that we can be supporting you. We've just started our Facebook group, My Lawn by Mowd, a community that's being built to answer and ask all of these lawn care questions. So come along on Facebook and join us there. Like and subscribe, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Every Saturday we're pushing out more useful content. So hit the bell notification and it will come straight to you, save you having to search for it. And finally, visit mowd.uk, a whole host of lawn care treatments and products, whether that's a subscription base or one-off purchase. We also have loads of really interesting blog posts to help you improve your lawn care. So if you like this video, you want to see more 3 ways videos, then you can click up here for last week's, which was 3 fertiliser mistakes that everybody makes. And we also had a bit of work going on in the garden this year. So if you click down here, you can see the 6 video series on our lawn care repair series.